So what you see here is the Solaire grill. As you can see, we're using the tire table, which is a great product that we offer as well. And what's cool about the Solaire is, you know, we all travel out there, and especially me, I get very cranky when I'm hungry, especially in Mexico or Baja or whatnot, and I want to eat now, like yesterday. And the old grills I was using in the past took a while. You got to set them up, they got to preheat, and I got tired of it, so I researched and researched and researched. And this actually comes from the marine industry, this company out of California. And the preheat on this is a couple of minutes, depends where you're at. If you're in a place that's -10, -5, it's gonna be a little bit longer. But you're looking at 400 plus degrees in a couple minutes. So if you get a nice cut of meat, hamburgers, you're grilling something, you can eat really quick, and I proved it. So I've actually tested this product for years before I bring it to Sportsmobile. We actually left it out in -degrees in the North Cascades, winter after winter after winter. And the thing, I still have the original stove in Winthrop, Washington, that still works. So the company is, they take quality to the highest level, which I call 5-star. And the amount of detail to the Solaire grills, you can clean them, you can take off the grill here, and we can see, you can see this, we use this. This is not a demo, we cook on it. The grill's able to maintain when you're on the road if you want to clean it, if there's any issues. So it's very user-friendly. And still to this day, I've not bought any replacement parts for the stove at all. We're talking thousands and thousands of miles going through different countries and in the US. It closes down very quickly, as you can see. I used to have mine in a case, and I said, no, it's made for the marine industry. So high-end stainless steel, nothing's gonna happen to it. And just another great product that you can get out there and cook a meal very quickly. And what's really cool about this company, it's made in the USA. When I research companies and products, I really dig deep. And if it's a family-owned company, the CEOs, past CEOs, and what I've been told, this company's actually been around for over 100 years. They were doing home fireplaces and then got into propane. And again, each one is made in the USA, and you can just see the quality. If you're a person that's attention to detail, all the lines, the high-end stainless steel again. So if you do want to go from a Sportsmobile camping to the ocean on a sailboat or whatnot, this product is going to perform through the salts, the hard weather. And again, I've left my stove out in the North Cascade Mountains, and it's going on, I want to say 7+ years, and it still works. Has a day about it.